last meeting, we discussed about complement of a set, meaning this, what are the elements that are in the universal set that are not in the given set. This today we are going to have the union of two sets. So A union B. So this is another operations. So what comes in your mind when you talk about union? So union, from the word union, unite, you are going to combine. So if we have here the symbol of A union B, or A or B. So we are using the word or for the union. A or B, or the union between A or B, or A union B. So when we talk about union, meaning the set of elements that belongs to set A or set B or both. So we are going to combine all the elements. Now, if we have here a Venn diagram, so all the elements in the purple colored in the two circles A and B, you are going to combine, then that is union. Now take note, when you combine, suppose if there are duplication of elements, na yung mga elements nga nagbalik-balik, so just copy only once. For example, what the elements of A is 2, 3, and 4. Then for B is 3, 4, 5. So to get the union between A or B, or that is A union B, so you just simply combine all the elements of AB. So we have 2, copy 2. Since we have here 2 threes, we just copy only once. We have 3. Take note, it is a distinct object, so we just only copy once. Isa ra kakopyaho nimo ang 3. Now we have here 4, so just copy only once, then bring down 5. So therefore, the union between A or B is 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is enclosed in the braces and it is separated by a comma. Let us have another example. So we have your X, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Y, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Z, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, and 16. So getting the union between X or Y. So you are going to combine all the elements in this union. So X and Y, so we have 2, we have 3, we have 4. Since we have 2, 6, we just copy only one, 6, 8, 9, 10. Then we have 2, 12. So just copy only once, 12. Then we have 15. So this is now the union between X or Y. Union is just simply combine. Now how about the union between X or Z? X and Z. So we have 1, we have 2, we have common in 4. So just copy once. 6, we have 7, we have 8, 10 is common. So just copy 10. We have 12, 13, and 16. Take note, there should have no duplication of elements. So just copy only once. So this is now the union between X or Z. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16. How about the union between Y or Z? So Y and Z. So we have 1, 3, 4, 7, 6, 7, 10, 9, 12, 13, 15, 16. So this is now the union between Y or Z. Take note, in union, so you don't need to arrange it in decreasing or increasing order. So, but for us, we are going to arrange this because to avoid confusion. So para di kita maglibog sa atong gi-arrange siya, but still, the order does not matter. So pwede ra mag-una ang 16, 15, 13, or so, as long as it is contained in the given set. So take note, even talk about union, we simply combine elements. That is a symbol of union. Now this time, let us have another operation, which is what we call intersection. It is an inverted U. So pabalinga U. So this is now the symbol of intersection. So this is A intersection B, or A and B. Take note, we are using the word and for intersection. For union, we have or. So A and B, or A intersection B. So what do you mean by intersection? So what comes in your mind? What about intersection? So for example, when we talk about intersection is, these are sets with that has, or a set of common elements in set A and B. Again, when we talk about an intersection, it is the set of elements belongs to both A and B. So meaning we are talking about the common elements. So for example, if we have here A and B, so the intersection between A and B is the shaded part. This is purple part. Okay, this is now the intersection. So this is the joint, these are joint sets. Take note, you have to remember our joint sets are set with common elements. So this common element is what we call the intersection of sets A and B. For example, given that A is has an elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our B is 2, 4, 6. Our C is 1, 3, 5. So what is the intersection between A and B? Intersection meaning the common between A and B. So A and B has a common elements of 2, 4, 6. We have 2, 4, 6. So therefore, 2, 4, 6 is the intersection between A and B, the common elements. Now, how about the intersection between A and C? So A and C, their common elements are 1, 3, 5. So 1, yes, 3, then 5. Okay, that is the common element. How about the intersection between B and C, the common element of B and C? Since we don't have common elements for B and C, so try to check the sets B and C. So since we don't have common elements, so just simply write empty or null set, meaning there is no common element. So that is what we call the intersection of two sets. So we just simply get the common elements. So I hope you learned something today. This is Teacher Verhel. Thank you and may God bless us all.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm